Number 335 from the High Falls Brewery. It's J.W. Dundee's Porter. Same people that make Honey Brown. You probably had it because it's good. This is the Porter. Apparently, we're not listening to something.
It's got a great smell.
Oh, it does have a really nice roasty smell.
Yeah. Is it like a toasted porter?
It's a porter. Roast. What's it say?
Roasted and robust. So yes. Hey Maddie, how you doing?
Not good.
He's not drunk, he's sick. And it's his decision to drink tonight, not ours. Well, ours also, but...
Ooh. How much did this cost? It was less than $2.
This is a good beer.
Yeah.
5.
Yeah.
5. 5. Oh!
Oh!
Yay! I love when we have unanimous 5s.
Woo! You should buy this beer, because it's good.
Again, J.W. Dundee's Porter, roasted and robust.
Like,
amazing.
Most of our 5s cost about that many dollars. That's not $5.
Go get it. It's amazing.
It's probably about a $7 6-pack. Go get it.
Seriously, we're gonna enjoy the rest of the beer.
I'm gonna do.
This is a great way to end the night.